Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. And in today's video we have an IXO models. We have this big semi truck, cab over truck, which it's a Freightliner. It's hard to say because it's right there. So it's the 1993 Freightliner FLA. I don't know what the FLA stands for, but this was sold around the time when COVID was a thing. So I don't know if this is an encased COVID box at this point, but hopefully not. It's just supposedly like comes like I think with a mask or something with it. So it was just a thing. I don't know, for collectors. I don't know. It was just a weird thing. I found out this like later before after I got this. So yeah, there you go. Let's get it opened and released from its very long slumber. I don't know when was this released even. Yeah, it doesn't say a date or anything, so well, if it was around COVID time, so probably some 2021 or something like that. Not fully sure, I'm just guessing. Ugh, come on. Yeah. Okay. Comes in this acrylic box. It is also screwed down, so don't have to worry about that. You can easily like take off the plastic, put this back on, and display it like this if you want to. You can also take the base plastic off, like you have to unscrew the truck and then display it with this on. But it doesn't matter. It matters how you want it. I'm guessing. I don't know, it just said safe, so probably there is no mask then. So what is this supposed to be? Huh? I'm not sure what I'm looking at. Oh, what? Is this supposed to be a mask or something? I don't know. Something weird. I'm guessing there was maybe a mask in here? Or there was supposed to be one? I have no idea what this is. I'm lost on that one. Okay. Let's get all the plastic and stuff away. Here's the model itself. Let's get it off the base and look at it closer. So I need a screwdriver. Hopefully this one fits. It does. I just need to grab the model in a way where I don't damage anything while I'm holding it upside down. Well, sideways upside down. Diagonally. Oh, that is a long screw. And there it goes. Okay. I'll just move all the plastics and stuff away for now. I'm not gonna throw any of this out because might decide not to keep it in the future or something, and then I'll have to like trade or sell it or something, and well, it will be easier with all the packaging. As much as I don't like to keep the packaging, it's weird how the rear, like, what do you call this, like not mud flaps, fenders, I think they're not going around the back, it's just halfway. I think it's because of the trailers, I think, when they get hooked up, so it doesn't like get stuck on it if you go on like over or something. I'm guessing, I'm not fully sure. Been playing a ton of SnowRunner though. That's how I know my truck stuff, at least. Yeah, this thing is like very detailed. The cab is metal. All the bits and stuff around it, of course, is plastic. These are plastic. That is metal. The, what do you call it? The horseshoe. This bit here is plastic. The barrels are plastic. The base is metal. It's very detailed. As you can see, it says IXO model, so Is that. The bumper is plastic. Like I said, everything else is plastic except the base and this cab itself. Some other pieces are plastic also. Here's the front of it. The IXO trucks look very, very good, in my opinion. I can't wait to get my hands on my first 164 scale ones. Those are much more expensive than these 143 scale ones. Why? I think it's because, well, the smaller scale, the harder to make it, I think. But I will be converting, like, eventually these, like, bigger trucks. As soon as I get, like, the smaller version of this, this one will be leaving my collection. But for now, I'm enjoying it a lot. This thing looks amazing. It looks super cool. I'm so thankful for the person who traded this one in for me. Luckily, I traded in some cars that were supposed to be my barn find project cars, but I thought this would be much better, at least for the given time. So as you can see, it also rolls, so there's not such an issue that it won't roll. So it's, like I said, it's pretty heavy. So that would be that, guys. Nothing more I can say or show, at least I don't think I can. Besides that, you could like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, comment, say what your thoughts on these are, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.